Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to combine your date and time columns into a single column in Excel using a simple formula. This is a great way to streamline your data and make your spreadsheets more efficient. Let's dive right in. As you can see, we have two separate columns here. One for the date in column A and the other for the time in column B. Now, we want to combine both of these into a single column. To do this, we'll use the concatenate function along with the text function to format both the date and time properly. In this empty cell, we'll enter the following formula. Formula appears on screen as it's typed. Here's a breakdown of this formula. The text function formats the date and time into a specific format. In this case, we're using month per day per year for the date and hours, minutes, seconds for the time. The concatenate function joins the date and time together with a space in between, so you'll get the full result in a single cell. Once we hit enter, we now have our first combined date and time result. Next, to apply this formula to the rest of the cells, simply select the cell with the formula, and drag the fill handle down to the rows you want to combine. Rows automatically populate with the combined date and time values. And just like that, the date and time are combined into a single column for all the rows. To recap, enter this formula into an empty cell. Press enter, then drag the formula down to combine the entire column. It's a quick and easy way to merge date and time in Excel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.